Welcome to Budapest. Come with me and let's figure out what the capital of Hungary has got to offer. I'm here at the Heroe Square, which is the largest square in Budapest. And this square here, it was built in 1896 to commemorate the 1,000-year-old history of Hungary. On top of the pillar, you can see over there stands the Archangel Gabriel, and he holds the Holy Crown and the double cross of Christianity. This square here is also surrounded by two important buildings. If you like history and art, you can visit the Museum of Fine Arts, which is just over there. And on the other side, there is the Hall of Art. Right next to the Heroe Square, there's this beautiful castle, which is called Vajdahunyad. So if you come here, you could consider visiting the castle as well. In the city park here, there's also this beautiful castle which is called Vajdahunyad, which was built at the end of the 19th century. Originally it was made of wood, but as it got famous, they rebuilt it again, and now it's made of stones. Right there on my back you can see the Parliament of Budapest, which is actually the largest building of Hungary. And it is situated right next to the banks of the Danube river. Right. If you're heading towards south from the Parliament building, you will find the shoes on the Danube Bank Memorial, which was placed to honor the Jews who were killed during the Second World War here in Budapest. They were ordered to take their shoes off, and then they were shot and their bodies fell into the water. And after that they were carried away. The memorial represents their shoes who were left there on the bank. Yeah, pretty sad story. Right now I'm in the Jewish quarter of Budapest and I'm looking for the big synagogue. Let's see where it is. And there it is, I found it. By the way, this synagogue is the largest in all over Europe and the second largest in the whole world. And there is space for 3,000 people. If you want to enter the synagogue, the price for the ticket is 4,500 forint, which is like 14 euros. The Jewish quarter here in Budapest, it was really inhabited by Jewish people. Nowadays, if you walk here around, you'll find a lot of narrow streets, bars and boutiques. Overall, there are 3 synagogues here in the Jewish quarter, but the Dohány Synagogue, which I showed you before in the video, is the largest one and the most popular as well. If you haven't been to Budapest, you probably don't know that the city is divided in 2 parts. One is called Buda and the other one is called Pest. Now I am in Buda, and now I am in Pest, and now I am in Buda. Now I am in Pest. And now it's starting to rain. But how to get from one side to the other side? That's pretty easy. You just have to cross the bridge. And this bridge is called Chain Bridge, and it was inaugurated in 1849. And since then it connects Buda with Pest. I'm just trying to get up the hill to see the sunset from the top. There's also a citadel, and it's quite hard to get up there. I'm sweating like hell. The Statue of Liberty, I made it. Whoa, it was really difficult to get up here, but once you arrived, you will be recompensed with a nice panoramic view to all over Budapest, so it's worth to climb up the stairs. It would have been also a nice place to see the sunset, but unfortunately I arrived a few minutes too late. This was pretty much everything from Budapest. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye.